lapho umkhwanya wethu uMasala uMbezi wasevenda uMembeso la kwaZulu emzini kababa kwavuma ngani igama lomuzi.
Lolu suku lisho okukhulu kakhulu mina usuku nje olukhulu kade ngalilindela kahle kahle because sesikade sahlangana nje we've been together for such a long time. Ngijabule nje kakhulu ukuthi safika lesikhathi. Umndeni nawo ujabule kakhulu nabo kade basebelindele kade preparation nje ku busy sijabule nje sonke.
As we embed this, we are very much happy about this work. In fact, we started coming here doing the introduction because we were brought here by our eldest son, Masala, the eldest son of my brother, Masala. Now we are very much happy because we came here, we make our introductions, they accepted us well, up until we agreed that we will end our introductions today.
It's a very proud moment for me. I know how much he's wanted this. He and Angel have a very beautiful relationship. Shout out to Angel too. She's very good for my friend. And yeah, over the past couple of years that I've known them, it's only been progress. They are a very inspirational couple and I wish them all the best.
Inhle. Yabona makuhlangana abantu abahlukene ngamasiko abo kuba into yodwa. Kumnandi ngoba sifunda yonke into. Sengikhuluma ivele njengamanje nami ngiyasikhuluma ivele kumnandi. Konke nje kumnandi.
The women's there, all the males that are around here, they are all happy, they are singing, they are dancing, they are excited. They've been waiting for this day for quite a long time and they were happy that it's finally arrived. They've started a lifetime journey. Now we are happy about them. We are fully supporting them. We are behind them. The contingency that is coming from Venda. We came in bulk. Listen to them in the tent.
Kumnandi. Ubona umkhulu egiye la. Kumnandi. Kubona impela usikhevula. Enyakaza kumnandi kakhulu.
It's heartwarming to have everyone here today. And yeah, to Masala and Angel, I just want to say, all the best, guys. Be strong, continue to love each other and to empower each other as you have over the years. And yeah, I wish you guys many more years together.
Ngimthanda umkhwela ngimthanda kakhulu and I'm very happy ukuthi ithembiso zakhe uyayigcina. I'm hoping ukuthi ngeke kugcine la kuzoqhubeka kuze kufike esigabeni sokugcina somshado.